Okay guys, we are gradually coming to an end, or to the end of this graphics design module. Okay, so remaining how to design social media graphics, how to design business cards and posters. Okay, if you have followed the lessons so far, you should be able to do all of this by now. I'll be shifting how to monetize your graphics designing skill till the end of the video editing module, so that I'll just combine the two skills together. Okay, so how to design social media graphics, business cards and posters. Let me head over to Canva. All you have to do is very simple. Just go to the category. Okay, this is a typical social media flyer, maybe also a poster. Then I'll see, let's just use this as a specimen to follow. Okay, so let's use this template. I'll delete this image. Okay, I'll drag this down a bit. All right, let me have it here. Okay, let me change the color of our background. Okay, let's have it like this. It's very interesting. Okay, this is too loud. Okay, let's use this. All right, then I want to change this to, okay, let me leave this for this. Okay, so let me just come to and use our book. Okay, let's continue using our book. Let me upload the single file, the single book, not the composite image. So gallery, all right, let me use this. So I'm going to flip this image so that it will flip horizontally, then put it here. Okay, then the text we have here is already now available. Remember, okay, I'll delete this, use this now available. Okay, you can always increase the size of your text, you can change the color, and you can change the font type as well. Okay, so let me increase the size. Okay, so let's just say and make it bold. Okay, so let's just say I'm the author of this book. So I'm going to bring in my image, my picture, and add to it. Okay, so flip as well. Okay, so drag it open. All right, so let's have it here, then send it backward. Okay, so here you have it. So you can add every other detail you want to add in form of text, in form of element, in form of images, whatever the type of item you want to add. Okay, so let me just put a price box. Let me put a price box. Go to shapes, under elements, bring in the cycle shape, and then just have something like this. Then you want to add the price inside. So So let's say the price of this book is just 15,000 naira. It's not in the center. Let me just group all of these icons so that they'll not keep obstructing what I'm doing. Okay, so now we have, I'm going to put the text in the middle of this shape here, and then group them together so that they will always move together, and then place it here. All right, so let's say this is the price, and then we'll have something very simple and quite presentable, okay, for so little attention. If you pay more attention to it, you will definitely come out with something better than this. Okay, you can always do better than what you see in the videos here. All you just have to do is to give it more attention when doing the design, and also use your creativity a lot. Okay, use your creativity a lot, and then you have something simple for your social media promotion. Okay, the same way with designing business card, just go ahead to the business card category and design whatever you want your design to look like. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you some assignments to carry out. Okay, you're going to do the assignments today, tomorrow, before we enter into the video editing module. All right,